say it. Huh? Say, ooh, ooh, ooh. You could do it. Hello. You're just doing it for me. Go, ooh, ooh. The little chunky thighs. Huh? Come on. You could do it. Ooh. Come on, you were just talking to me. And then I turn the camera on and you don't do it anymore. Come on. See your little chunky thighs for the camera that I love so much. Hey, Pumpkin. What are you doing? Ow. Ooh. Hey, buddy. Hey. You kicking? Yeah? Huh? Say, Mama loves me. Mama loves me. Oh, bless you. Stop. Bless you. You just got blasted. You blasted little splatters all over me. Huh. Hi. Hi, Pumpkin. Ooh. Come on, do it again. Yeah. Oh, hello. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye. I'm doing this mainly for your Aunt Kelly. You say, bye, Aunt Kelly and Uncle Travis. Okay? Say bye-bye. But can you say bye-bye or give them a smile before they go? Yeah? Almost. 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 Okay, say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Bye.